Hello everyone, today I am going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Children's Physical and Emotional Health and Yoga Education. The cover of the book is very nice. It's a bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It's a DL and ETT first year book. This book is strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT Punjab. So let's quickly review this book. This book is in Punjabi medium, as you can see. So review this book. Unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1 understanding health and well-being, then Unit 2 morning assembly activities, Unit 3 school health programs, Unit 4 minor games and athletics, Unit 5 introduction to yoga, Unit 6 asanas. Now you have to check the contents and verify it with syllabus. Unit 1 understanding health and well-being, concept of health, need and importance, relationship between health and education, then nutritional requirement of children 6 to 14 years. So Unit 1 is still awareness regarding drug abuse, and verified with syllabus, like concept of health, need and importance, relationship with health and education, till awareness regarding drug abuse. Unit 1 is completely there. Now we have to check out Unit 2 now, verified with syllabus, national flag, importance, significance and precautions, till type of formation, PT exercise, till marching. Let's check this out. Unit 2 national flag, importance, significance, till type of formation, PT exercise, drill and marching. Unit 2 is absolutely clear too. You have to check out Unit 3 now, school health programs, midday meal, aim objective, components functioning, till morbidity mapping and safety measures. Have to verify it, like Unit 3 syllabus, midday meal, aim objective, components and functioning, till morbidity mapping and safety measures. Unit 3 also very clear. Check out Unit 4 minor games, meaning, importance and principle for conducting, till shuttle run, zigzag run. So Unit 4 minor game, meaning, importance for conducting, till shuttle run, zigzag run. So now we have to check out Unit 5, verify with syllabus, introduction to yoga, meaning of yoga, importance, scope, misconception, till role of yoga in psychological preparation for children as an athlete. Introduction to yoga, meaning of yoga, importance, scope, till role of yoga in psychological preparation of children as an athlete. Then we have to check out Unit 6 now, asanas, principle of yoga asanas, meditative asanas, till importance of yoga asanas for balance posture and overcome postural deformities. You can check this out. Principle of yoga asanas, suhasanas, padmasanas, till importance of yoga asanas for balance positive, overcome postural deformities. All the 6 units are completely there, so there is no problem in that. Now we have to check out page numbers which are mentioned with, are they accurate or not. For example, if I go to page 32, whether you'll find basic knowledge about it, athletic track and its truck, then check out page 32. Athletic track and field event till page 32. It's on page 32. It's completely there. Page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. Also contents are given in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable both kind of readers. Inside the book also topics are given are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that both English and Punjabi kind of readers will find it easily. Pictorial representation also given wherever necessary. You can check them out. So even if you're easy in English language, you can also easily buy this book also. Even then the book is 129.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon. It's a very reasonable price for this book because it's cover everything. You can buy this book from Flipkart, Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218-219-218 and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this book from any available bookstore nearby your location at 129.50. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube also and check out the books of Vinod Publications. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out their books. If you have any query, you can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and if you have any complaint regarding any book, you can go to a helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So I highly recommend this book 129.50 rupees only. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218 or buy it from any available bookstore. It's your choice. 129.50 for children physical and emotional health and yoga education part 1 is a very reasonable price. I highly recommend this book of DLID DTD first year bestseller of SCERT Punjab Vinod Publications of Punjabi medium. So must buy this book. It will definitely help in exams. Thank you so much.